In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth. This process is quick and easy. You can follow a few simple steps to get it done. Once connected, you can listen to directions through your car speakers. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, locate and tap on Bluetooth. Here, toggle on the switch at the top of the screen to enable Bluetooth functionality. With Bluetooth activated, your iPhone is now ready to connect with other devices, including your car's audio system. Tap on your car's name to establish a connection. In some cases, it may connect automatically if previously paired. Once connected successfully, you'll receive a confirmation notification both on your phone and possibly from your car's audio system. Now that the phone is connected, exit out of Settings and locate the Google Maps app. Tap it open. Inside Google Maps, look for the profile picture icon located at the top right corner of the screen and tap it. From here, tap Settings. Then find and select Navigation. It's crucial that guidance audio is set correctly. Ensure that it is unmuted by checking that it's set to unmute. Next up are two important options needed for seamless audio playback through your car's Bluetooth system. First, look for Play Voice over Bluetooth, toggle this switch on. Then find Play as Bluetooth Phone Call. Again, make sure this option is enabled by toggling it on as well. With these adjustments made in Google Maps settings, you can now enjoy directions clearly through your vehicle's speakers while driving. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.